In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect PayPal to eBay for an easy setup. If you're a frequent online shopper or seller, you'll know that integrating these two services can simplify your transactions significantly. Let's walk through the process together, step by step, to ensure everything is set up correctly. First, we'll start by logging into your eBay account. Open your preferred web browser and type in www.ebay.com. Once the page loads, locate and click on the Sign In option, usually at the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials to access your account. It's important to use a secure connection, especially when dealing with financial platforms, so make sure your web address starts with HTTPS for added security. After signing in, it's time to head over to your account settings. You'll need to click on your name or profile icon, which you'll find in the top corner of the web page. A drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Account Settings. This will direct you to your account management page where you can make various changes and updates. Within your account settings, look at the left-hand menu and locate the section labeled Payments. Click on it to reveal further options. Your goal here is to find the option that allows you to link a PayPal account. eBay's interface may update from time to time, so if you don't see it immediately, look out for any similar options. Once you've clicked to link PayPal, you'll be redirected to a new page. PayPal's login page. This is where you need to enter your PayPal email and password. Be sure these details are accurate to avoid any login issues. Always keep your login information secure and private. After you've successfully logged into PayPal, you'll need to authorize the connection between PayPal and eBay. Look for the button that says Agree and click it. This step ensures that eBay can connect with your PayPal account securely. Once the authorization is complete, you'll be automatically redirected back to eBay. Here, you should see a confirmation message indicating that your PayPal account is now linked. This is the final step to ensure the integration is successful. Now that your accounts are linked, you can use PayPal for buying items on eBay with ease, and if available in your region, it can also serve as a payout method. This integration saves time and adds a layer of security to your eBay transactions. And that's it! You've now linked PayPal to eBay smoothly. Be sure to check your PayPal account periodically to verify that everything is functioning properly. Enjoy your seamless buying and selling experience on eBay with PayPal. Thank you for watching and happy